Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Play as Baldi is active and you're on a server with predictable spawns. Once ready, spawn as Baldi and immediately check your HUD for sprint and interact cooldowns so you won't waste time later. Next, move to the nearest classroom cluster where pages commonly spawn. While you go, listen for ambient cues and open doors systematically so you build spatial memory. This gives you an early advantage when pages appear. Now focus on the complex execution. Sweep rooms in a consistent pattern to minimize missed locations. While doing that, use short sprint bursts to close distances, then recover to avoid running out when you need a final chase. Once you spot a page, position yourself to secure it quickly and deny others access. Make sure to open nearby exits as traps. Also monitor audio and player movement. Anticipating where others head lets you intercept pages before they can be collected. Finish by securing the final page and holding a choke point so you can control access when the badge triggers. After collection, watch for the badge confirmation in the UI and wait a few seconds. The system sometimes delays. If the badge doesn't unlock, first rejoin the server or restart the game to force a sync. If problems persist, test in a private match to isolate server issues and clear local cache to remove corrupted state before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.